Okay, so how to upgrade your Wakelet and Pinterest feeds on your website. So here's the mood board, which is your Pinterest, and research is Wakelet. How do we go about doing that? So the first thing you need to do is open your homepage editor. And here we've got the different codes. So let's look at Pinterest first of all. I'm going to click edit here, and here's the Pinterest code. I'm going to open up Pinterest, and when you're greeted with the home page here, you're going to open your account on boards and open up the board, the one that you want to share. I'm going to press the three dots here and click make a widget. Now this means we can do a few things. We can get a save button, a follow button, one individual pin, a board, or a profile. We're going to go with a board because we just want one board to be shown. There's the URL of that particular board, and then we can change the settings here. So if you want in the sidebar, in the header, or you can create your own. We're going to go with square for now and just see how that looks. It tells us here to copy and paste both of these codes. You're only going to need this one. So I'm going to copy. I'm going to go over to here. This is the one that's already been copied. So that one is this. So you don't have to worry about that one. And the bottom one here is what we're going to need. Now notice the numbers. We've got 1280 for the width, 600 for the height. When I paste this over, it's going to change these. 400 and 240 and 80. Let's save and exit and update, and let's just see what that looks like in Google Chrome. There's our mood board. We're going to press refresh. And it's made it quite small. So we ideally want to go with a little larger on the mood board. We can do this two ways. First, we can do it here. You can create your own. And we can change these how you'd want it. So board height, 600. Board width, 1280 it was. And then image width, however you want the images. So I think we've got this. Bring this down so you fit more on there. And then you would copy this. I've copied it. And then I can paste it where this other code is. The other way of doing it, instead of going through Pinterest, is you can change them here. So here's what we had before, here's what we have now, and here's what we had before. So I can change these just by typing in 1280, 600, and 60. Let's save and exit. Remember to press update. Let's jump into Google Chrome and see what that does for us. There we go, our mood board's bigger, and you can still scroll through this, so that's great. Now let's look at Wakelet. I'm going to go back into my browser, Safari. Let's open up Wakelet. A little bit different, but it's still pretty much the same. So I am going to view collection. Once I'm viewing the collection, I press these three dots and I click embed. And again, I've got some different options here. So I can have it as a list. I can turn these details off and on. We recommend that you have a border and the title. And here we've got it set as a grid view. I think that's my personal favourite, but it's totally up to you how you do it. You can also have it where it slides along here. Again, totally up to you. I like the grid view. So once I've done that, I'm going to copy the code. I'm going to come over here, embed code, I'm going to click 3 lines to edit, and I'm going to select all and paste this new one in, save and exit, update, and you're not going to see any difference to this. We'll just check it's still there. There we go, it is. So that's how you add your Wakelet to your website.